ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕೆಎಚ್ ರೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟನ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಯ ಸಾಧನಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದ ಕ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟನ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಟೇಪ್ ಕತ್ತರಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಚಿಮಣಿಗಳು, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಪ್ಸ್, ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಓವನ್ಸ್, ಮೈಕ್ರೋವೇವ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಡಿಶ್ ವಾಷರ್ ಒಳಗೊಂಡ 38 ಮಾದರಿಗಳ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯನ್ನು ಕ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟನ್ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿತು. ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಆನಂದಮಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಆರಾಮದಾಯಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಇವರಿಗೆ ಪೂರೈಕೆಯಾಗದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸುವಂತಹ ವಿಸ್ತೃತ ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಯ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Crompton is launching built-in appliances in Bangalore and Karnataka. So we are starting with Bangalore first. As a first step, we are opening 4 Crompton signature studios in Bangalore. 3 more are in pipeline, which will open up by a month or so. Apart from that, we are also working with various kitchen dealers, large appliances dealers, so that consumer doesn't have to travel and he can pick the products from the best source or the most trusted source what he is comfortable with. So like that, there will be around 60 to 75 stores which will be setting it up in this month and next month. Bangalore we see as the largest market as per our information, and hence we strongly feel that we will do far better here because the products which we have got are also in line with global cuisines. It has been designed based on consumer feedback. So whatever products we have designed, they have come out by the basis of deep consumer insight, and it is not basis that what is available in the market. We identified there is a 40% unmet need which has not been met by any brand. So our entire endeavor was to deliver on those 40% unmet need. Basis that our engineers and designers who know air management and motors and noise the best in the world, they have been able to give us these technologies by which we are able to give these products. Not only this, we have also worked out a lot of intelligent and automation features like intelligent auto clean, because today one of the key pain areas is cleaning of the chimney, and for which the consumers are struggling. They are paying hefty money, but in our product, the product automatically judges that when this 30 hours of working has been completed, basis which the system automatically cleans and he need not bother. This saves huge amount of time and effort for a consumer. Apart from this, we have also got features like timer in a gas hob, wherein customer can just time it, he can finish some other work or do whatever, and the gas will automatically get switched off. The chimneys are so silent that while cooking, they can speak to somebody over the phone, or their headache will not happen, because when the chimney works, it is just next to the head, and that is where the consumer had the concern. By this, we strongly feel that we will be able to drive penetration more, which no other brand has been able to do so far. This is what is the responsibility with Crompton being an Indian brand. We have demonstrated in other categories, and this category will be no different. We have also established after-sale service. It is fully ready. We have set up training academies for our technicians on which they have been trained, so that they don't experiment in consumers' home. They can figure it out, whatever the complaints are, or maybe installation is done first time right. We have also developed a lot of educational material which will be rolled out for a consumer so that they can get informed choices. Most important of all, which we are here today, is on Crompton Signature Studio. These studios has been professionally designed so that when consumer comes, he can clearly identify what is the need he is looking at, what exactly the features will be beneficial to him. He can also try ovens and microwave ovens and dishwashers, so that he is fully confident and informed when he is buying the product. And that is what I think consumers expect from Crompton, and we are here to serve him, and that is what is our business model. Thank you.